You would not believe your thighs after 44 cheese fries and you supersize your chili fries. Roll round in your wheelchair and leave grease stains everywhere. Watch everyone as they stop and stare. I'd like to make myself believe Kmart is plumpy. It's safe to say you haven't washed in nearly 3 weeks, 'cause your fat is bursting at the seams. 'Cause you weigh 1,000 pounds, and as gross as that may sound, Kmart soon you won't be wearing pants. In 1 month you will be dead, so listen to what I said. You will need a crane to get you out of bed. I'd like to make myself believe. Leave your fridge open just a crack, so you can have another heart attack.